Welcome to Device Help Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to setup, troubleshooting, and unboxing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. Looking for an easy way to set up your NETGEAR Orbi Mesh Wi-Fi router? You've come to the right place. In this complete tutorial, you'll learn how to access orbilogin.com or orbilogin.net and configure your Orbi router from start to finish. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced user, this guide makes the NETGEAR Orbi setup process simple, fast, and easy to follow. Watch until the end to avoid common mistakes and ensure your mesh Wi-Fi system performs at its best. So let's start the process. Now turn off your modem. Connect the modem to the internet. 1. Port on the Orbi router using an Ethernet cable. Power on the modem and wait until it is fully online. Connect the Orbi router to a power outlet and wait until the LED becomes stable. Place the Orbi satellite 30 to 40 feet, 9 to 12 meters, away from the router and plug it into power. Using a computer, smartphone, or tablet, connect to the default Orbi Wi-Fi network, SSID printed on the router label, or connect your computer directly to the Orbi router using an Ethernet cable. Launch a web browser. Enter one of the following in the address bar, orbilogin.com or orbilogin.net. Press Enter. You'll be prompted to log in. The default username is admin, and the default password is password, unless you've changed these credentials. The Orbi Setup Wizard will open automatically. Click Next. Accept the terms and conditions. The router will detect your internet connection automatically. Configure your internet connection. First is Dynamic IP, DHCP, usually detected automatically. Second is PPPoE, enter your ISP username and password. And the third one is Static IP, enter the IP information provided by your ISP. Click Next after completing the required information. Create your wireless network. Wi-Fi name, SSID, choose a unique network name. Wi-Fi password, create a strong password containing uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Click Next to continue. Set up the administrator account used to manage the Orbi system. Username usually remains admin password, create a secure password. Select and answer the security questions. This password is different from your Wi-Fi password. The setup wizard will search for Orbi satellites. If detected automatically, click Continue. If not, press the sync button on the router. Within 2 minutes, press the sync button on the satellite. Wait until synchronization completes. A solid blue LED usually indicates an excellent connection, amber indicates a fair connection, and magenta indicates the satellite could not connect. Now this setup is complete. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for the more updates.